welcome back. Now you're thinking, where was I? And now where am I? Well, I'm in a forest type something, but like my exam started, so I wasn't there. But now that I'm here, today we're gonna talk about some nature and environment of our country, Bangladesh. So let's start. Well, now I'm walking in the field, but you can see on my left there is a round field, but we're not talking about it, so let's go to the soil. Let's talk about soil over here. Right now I'm standing on soil. The earth is made of soil. Now over here in my hand, this is soil. All the crops grow on soil, and many insects live in soil. Also, many animals live inside the soil. Hi guys, now we're in Chalitabari village and we're gonna talk about nature and environment. What a relief! There is some fresh air here and it feels really good. Here you can see grass, and there is grass everywhere. We can make sugar with grass, and also grass is really useful. These are the bush, and we're gonna take you to a really big bush. Let's go. Yes, this is a big bush. A lot of insects live inside the bush. I'm just going there. Never mind. What if there's a spooky insect there? It's gonna be cringe. Okay, here we can see a crop field. Right now we see a eucalyptus tree over here, and also we can see aram field. And if you zoom over there, you can see some birds. And this tree gives us wood. Tree has leaves, and we can make paper with leaves. We can make different types of furnitures with tree wood and more. And this is a really big aram field, and also some little bush. I can see frog type something jumping inside there. It's scary, kind of scary. This is a big tree. This tree, wow. Do you see this massive tree? It looks like a monster. Now we'll talk about air. My dress is flowing, and the air is really fresh, and we take oxygen from the air, and it feels really nice. So I'll talk about a plant. This is a medicinal plant. This is its root. You can see little flowers on the plant, and the flowers are full of honey. And I love honey very much. So this is the plant. This is practical. It kind of looks like science thing. And also you can make curry with it. Because the weather is so hot, it feels really nice. It feels cold, and wow, what a nice day. I love it. I love it very much. I want to dance. Maybe if I wasn't home, I couldn't feel this. It's really nice. and the tree leaves are also shaking, and I can hear the birds like singing song, and it's really cute and beautiful. They are little birds, and like we're in a village, so it has everything it needs. As you can see, above my head is sky. Sky is blue. It looks blue because of sun reflection. Now you can see floating clouds in the sky. The clouds looks like cottons, and the sky is a great creation of Almighty. As you can see, on my left is a crop field, and this little crops will grow into paddy, and these crops will, like the paddies will become rice, and we're gonna eat it. And in the future we're gonna make a video about different foods like crops. I'm with a little calf. It's really cute. Don't go away. Oh my. Okay, so this is a cow's little baby, a calf, really cute, and it's playing in the fields because it's really like little. Okay, behind me you can see some herons. Like there are so many herons, and this is a crop field. It has a little bit of water in it, so the herons are looking for fish in the field because it's the heron's favorite food. And they're passing their time playing. On my back, this is a bamboo bush. We can use it as pole, and we can make different furnitures with it, and it can be eaten. Tribal peoples eat tender bamboos as vegetables. Okay, behind me you can see the sun. It looks yellow. It is the setting sun behind me, and it looks like yolk of the egg, and it's the main source of power. We don't have charge in our microphone, that's why now I have to talk freely. This is a water body beside me, and there are fish inside it, and it's almost about 150 feet deep. You're gonna sink if you go in there. You can't drink this water because it's not pure, and it's the main almost. In fact, water is the source of our life and all of the living things. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon, and it will turn your notification on. So we will see you in the next video. Bye!